In this video, we're going to explore 2 quick hacks to calculate fractions of amounts, and I will give you a quick guide to understand them clearly. If you'd like to go deeper, I've also made a full conceptual lessons with easy, medium, and hard challenge questions. You will find the link in the description. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with quick hack 1. The rule is simple: total divided by the bottom number, then multiply by the top number. Let's see how quick hack 1 works when we calculate fractions of amounts. What is 3/4 of 8? The bottom number 4 is called the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the total is divided into. In this case, the total is divided into 4 equal parts. Each group has 8 divided by 4, that's 2 items. The top number, 3, is the numerator. It tells us how many of those parts we have. Now we have 3 parts. So we take 3 groups of 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So 3/4 of 8 is 6. Easy. And that's quick hack 1. Take the total divided by the bottom number to find how many items are in each equal group. Then multiply by the top number to find the total items in the groups we have. That's how we find a fraction of an amount, quick and easy. Let's try another one. What is 2/3 of 12? We divide 12 by 3, then multiply by 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 2/3 of 12 equals 8. One more. What is 1/6 of 30? We divide the total 30 by 6 to see how many items are in each equal group. Then multiply by 1 to find the total items in the groups we have. In this example, we just have one group. 30 divided by 6 is 5, and 5 times 1 is 5. So 1/6 of 30 equals 5. See? Quick hack 1 is just simple, clear, and always work. Let's explore quick hack 2. It's the multiplication of fraction method. Here's how it works. To find a fraction of a number, you simply multiply the total number by the fraction. We can write 3/4 of 8 as 3/4 times 8. We change 8 into 8/1 to make multiplying fractions easier. Here's a helpful tip. Try to simplify before multiplying. In this example, 4 and 8 can both be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. 6/1 is 6. So 3/4 of 8 is 6. Exactly the same answer as before. Let's find 2/3 of 18. Here's the same as 2/3 times 18. We change 18 into 18/1 to make multiplying fractions easier. It is often helpful to simplify before multiplying. In this example, 3 and 18 can both be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Then multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. 12/1 is 12. So 2/3 of 18 is 12. Both hacks gives the same answer. It's up to you which one you like more. Let's review what we have learned today. There are 2 quick hacks to find fractions of amounts. Quick hack 1. Divide the total by the bottom number, then multiply by the top number. For example, 2/3 of 12 equal the total 12 divided by 3, then multiply by 2, which equals 8. Quick hack 2. Use multiplication of fractions. For example, 3/4 of 8 means 3/4 times 8. Here's a helpful tip. Always simplify before multiplying. It makes the calculation so much faster and easier. So 4 and 8 can both be divided by 4. And when we multiply the top numbers and bottom numbers, we get 6. And that's it. You have mastered fractions of amounts. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description to watch the full lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math videos. See you in the next one.